Hello traders, just another example of a winning trade for myself and my clients. This time it's the British pound Australian dollar. We entered the market here on the 6th of April through the structure here. This was the candle that got us triggered and hit our take profit overnight on the 6th of May. So in this trade for 30 days, it floundered down here for a couple of weeks, consolidated before another push to the downside, hitting our target. So we entered the market, I'll just clear this, at 191043, again just here. Our original stop loss was 192673 up here, well placed. As the trade was playing out, we had the opportunity to manage the trade, move our stop loss into profit territory because of this guy here. That's one of the systems I teach my clients, to 190610. That locked in profit, and then we just let the trade play out. And again, it floundered for a couple of weeks through here. That was no concern for us. Got a nice bearish pin bar 2 days ago, and that was the catalyst for the price coming into our take profit target overnight. Beautiful trade. 1 is to 2.12 risk to reward. Lovely profit, lovely little trade, never in doubt, never in danger. That's how we go about our business here at the King of Forex. That's the result of our British pound Australian dollar trade. Thank you, traders.